Welcome to our home.
Damn. で、これが一応バーでキッチン。Hola chicos.
Hola.
So I guess you could freshen this up eventually. You got the kitchen fan. So obviously that's just the one unit. This whole thing can change potentially. Yeah. Yep. Why not? On the water, computer, art room, nice wall space for painting maybe. Oh wow. That's kind of unnecessary, but no problem. I just arrived and had my pata tortilla and chorizo. So here's my stuff absolutely everywhere, especially in there. Just disaster everywhere. Very small kitchen. Still not quite sure how to deal with this to make it I think maybe raise the floor so it becomes like a storage underneath. I don't know. That's got to go because that's blocking the whole window. Anyway, I'm gonna stay here tonight and try and sort out this disaster. Yeah, man, this is my new home, kind of thing. I think the floor should be risen to this first step, is what I think. So you can still have kind of a countertop just under the window and go all the way. I think that create more floor space too, because technically you don't need this if you have all that. I don't know. Maybe create more. I don't know. I really don't know. But I'm trying to organize here a little bit. Organized cups are in. Taking their blue plastic cups out. I would like to make a coffee corner, but it's more like coffee tenjo. Yeah. こんな感じです。Knife and forks はここだけ。マジパンパン。Pots and pans 入らない。So that door is open.
Never forgot
This cable.
disconnect the cable when you go for navigate.
Wow. Very rough seas. Wow. Suitcases are flying. One of the wine glass blew out. Yeah, he's okay. Seas are getting rough. Nothing like Gulf Stream. Holy crap. So my first challenge was this table. The middle went down to hold the cups in place when you're navigating. But I just love the glass tables, and when I found this one, this was the one. I did want to have marine chairs, but marine chairs are super expensive. You know, they go for like $2,000 a piece. So, and I was thinking, what, 6-8 seats? So that wasn't gonna go. But the glass table did make a good fit. So this is my first creation. I think it looks sick. And I have bolted it down there. Is it great? I think it'll do the job. I just fell down. That sucks. But these things slide out, so I got this safety thing, a little clip. So that's nice. But yeah, I think it makes a big difference. Yeah, you really notice this chrome thing. And finally, Aieva arrived from Malaysia. We haven't seen each other in a while, and she was here for the Barca life and the boat life. And finally, my parents arrived and to help us with the renovation of the kitchen. They had free time for a month, so we went through some ideas of what to do. Obviously, the first thing that had to go was the weird cupboard that was blocking the windows. So we went through different designs of how we could have our blacked out kitchen, pretty much. We went through numerous designs, a lot of Pinterest ideas, and we finally came up with the idea of the L shape with the kitchen island. And the kitchen island had to be customed because it would be in front of the entrance. So we went through sourcing a whole bunch of stuff to map out prices, and we practically getting the skeleton and getting different components to fit the kitchen that we are customizing. Get these drawings done by these shops and make your decision. And we went with Leroy Merlin's. So this is a Leroy Merlin skeleton that we ordered. It took a while, but we needed time to rip out this kitchen. As this boat was made in 1988, so this kitchen was made back then. And that's the problem with all these older boats, have these older designs that was modern back in the day, but not for us anymore. So for us to rip out this 30-year-old kitchen took a while, and you have to get marine grade screws, marine grade wood, because you are tested with the elements. So we added the reinforcements, raised the floor, and try to keep as much as possible so we can use the old kitchen as our bodega. We obviously had to make sure all the doors could open without a problem. So that was a challenge, but everything has measured perfectly, and even the kitchen island turned out quite beautifully. We were lucky that my mother is a upholsterer / designer. So when it comes to anything with fabric, she can pretty much do whatever you want. I said to my mother, this is what needs to be done, so get over here to Barcelona. Please, 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 please. Is basically how that conversation went. My mom's changing that now. So this is the disaster at the moment. Mi madre. Say what's up, Mom. Hi. Has been installed. That's the dimmer switch. Yes.
Why is it not moving? Okay, whatever.
Yeah, dimmer isn't that great. But installed.
So
the trim.
Boko.
Yeah, Boko trim. So we have another trim coming from AliExpress, just black rubber. To hide also this disaster and that disaster.
And they seen that?
Yeah, they saw that.
Oh, okay.
That's about it. Still waiting for the damn doors.
Yeah, today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oof.
Welcome to our home.
Damn.
So this is my favorite area, my working space, basically, where I hang out the most, 3 times a day.
Nice.
2 hours, at least.
Per meal.
Yes.
Okay.
And this is our sitting area. So let me explain this area first. It'll be easier. So actually our mom changed the seat cover.
Our mom sounds weird
Why?
because then we are brothers and sisters.
Well, it's considered our mom because
Oh, yeah.
we are pretty much family now.
Yes.
So
Alright, correct.
Yeah, she changed the
See
cover
that?
here.
Reupholster.
Yeah, so we
Really well done. Yeah, marine grade, which just means super expensive. That's what that means.
yeah,
It can
so
withstand
we
the elements. Go ahead.
what I want to say, I forgot because you keep on. Yeah, so we chose this material, the color and everything.
Goes really well.
Yeah, and
It's
we're
super
so
modern.
happy with it. And yeah, this is back to the kitchen.
Yep.
So the kitchen used to be down here,
Which
but
is now
it become our bodega. And ite.
oof. Little Goldie
Yes, the way I like it, just like the airplane.
or Marshall inspired.
Going down, it's turned
Going
on.
down.
So here is the latch and bodega down
Little
here.
bodega.
That's where we put our drinks,
Oh, it's the old kitchen.
drinks in there,
Storage over here.
and all the dry fruits. You also can lock this as well.
Yep.
This is so Ichi and Tochan
My father.
help out with the kitchen,
Yeah.
and he made all the trim right here.
You mean I did?
Yeah, you did.
Yes, I did. And that's the finished product. You think it looks good?
Wait, you need to see this.
Oh.
Our fire extinguisher.
Look at that, y'all.
I wish I didn't
Custom.
have to use it, but
But it works. It's
But it
fully
works.
loaded. It's ready to go.
yep.
Hopefully we never have to use it. Pop-up sockets over there also.
And check it out, the inside.
Oh, and that's just a normal. Oh yeah, and we made that custom
Cutlery.
thing. Oh, I guess that's nothing.
It's not that organized, but
It's all black and gold.
yes.
If you
Only
notice.
black and gold is allowed in
She has
here.
a issue with gold and black.
No color.
Oh,
This is my
Now that is
favorite
custom.
part. Ichi made it as well.
Right.
So this is
Spice
all
rack. Yeah.
the spice rack.
it's all in
Here.
there.
And actually, I can go any further by taking it out. What's the word? Fine. Garbage can is right here.
Pull out garbage. Boom. How do I?
And
Because we don't like drying. Well, you don't like drying the dishes out. So this drawer is just for drying.
yeah.
Yeah.
And it was great so far.
So far, so good.
As you guys can see,
Yeah,
this one is our airman.
super strong.
It
It's just
was-
better with the window open. Splashback, custom.
This also made by Ichi.
Yeah, some offcuts. I think it works really well.
Yeah, it
Also
works great.
holds the blinds back, which is nice. It's in a slight angle. Nothing is a 90-degree on a boat.
And I always wanted a place where I can put like 2 or 3 different kind of herbs. So Ichi made this rack for me. So I can put my rosemary and also mint.
Yeah, it's looking kind of sad though.
Yeah, because I've been using it up.
Right.
But they'll grow. Don't worry about it. And this is our
2 full
fridges
fridges.
where for the food, drinks, and fruits. Over here.
It's quite a large,
Yeah,
large,
it's not
small.
really.
Oh, you don't want to show inside? Oh, okay. Sorry, people.
And this is our kitchen island.
Yeah, that was a mission to do that and get the board to
Yeah, so
go around
it
with the
needs
same
like
fabric.
3 people. I mean, Ichi
Nice inox.
have to do it, and me and our mom
These trims.
have to hold on to this while he.
Unfortunately, we don't have that video. We needed
Yeah.
all hands on deck.
And this is our kitchen island. I put a
Extra space, so we just stuck that thing on just for the
Oil, salt,
olive oils. Yeah.
and this is insta.
Ice maker down there.
Ice maker right here. And yeah, this one, you guys should take a look at this.
Yeah, I kind of already mentioned that,
Oh, okay.
but it's amazing.
Yeah, I love it.
Bring the electricity
So
all the way
much.
over.
That there's
From that corner.
Because I hate to put like things all over the place in the kitchen, like empty cup or things like that. I don't like it.
Anything else? See, this just bling bling.
Yeah, I think that's it.
And those lights have traveled everywhere. It's been to Canada, Malaysia, and
It's
Spain.
not from Malaysia first, actually.
Malaysia first, actually.
And then Canada.
We'll add some photos right now.
Then Canada. And now here, Barcelona.
Yeah.
Want to check out this area?